Right now, we're seeing a business sentiment score of minus 0.11, which is notably below our historical baseline. Coupled with a momentum of minus 1.05, this indicates a significant downturn in sentiment, suggesting that things are trending in a concerning direction. With 19 semantic clusters, it's clear that various aspects of business sentiment are being affected, but the overall negativity is striking. Our API returns not just sentiment scores, but also key insights into these clusters, allowing you to pinpoint where the pain points are. Imagine you're building an application that helps businesses adjust their strategies in real time. With this data, you can alert users to shifts in sentiment, enabling timely adjustments to their operations or marketing strategies. For detailed documentation, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.